video, we're going to work on foam rolling our upper body. If your hair is long, make sure you tie it up, grab a foam roller, and let's get rolling. We have 10 stretches ranging from 20 to 30 seconds. Starting with an upper back roll, turning our foam roller vertical, lay across it, relax your head, open your arms out to your sides, and just rock side to side. Now let's act like we're making snow angels with our arms, really opening up that chest. If extending your arms is too much for you here, just lay your arms out to the side and relax in that stretch. Now we're going to stretch out our neck a bit, so let's turn that foam roller horizontal and relax our neck onto it, and then just turn your head side to side. Moving into an upper back roll, place the foam roller under your shoulder blades. Bring your hands behind your head to stabilize you. Keeping your body nice and flat, just roll from the tops of your shoulders down to about the middle of your ribs and repeat. Now we're going to work on some mobility in our thoracic spine. So have a seat with your knees bent in front of you. Make sure the foam roller is at the center of your ribs. Interlace your fingers with your hands behind your head, and then engage your abs and lean back. Come back to a neutral position and repeat. Turning onto our sides, we're going to work on our lats a bit. So bring the foam roller under your arm and roll down towards the center of your chest and back up. Then we're going to rotate our chest slightly towards the foam roller and get that stretched out as well. We're going to stay in a similar position, working on the muscles from under our arm to our elbow. You can face your hand towards the ceiling or the floor to target whichever muscle feels best. Now we're going to move to the outside of our arms, so placing our shoulder against the foam roller, and then bracing yourself with your legs and core, start to roll that muscle out. Now we're gonna come onto our tummy, placing the foam roller under our right shoulder. And then we're just gonna rock, bringing that foam roller in towards our chest and back to our shoulder. All right, let's switch to the left side, starting with the lat stretch. And then we'll roll a little bit into our chest. Now let's work on rolling out those muscles from under our arm to our elbow. Remember, you can face your hand towards the ceiling or the floor to target whichever muscle feels best. Now we'll bring our outer arm onto the foam roller and stretch that out. Then we'll come back onto our tummy with a foam roller under our left shoulder and get a good stretch into our chest. All right, let's come onto our knees with our forearms extended onto the foam roller and just rock back and forth. And there we go. Feel free to do these stretches anytime you feel like you need them. I also made a video for the full body and lower body as well. Send me some love by hitting that subscribe button, and I will see you all again soon.